Welcome to Mr. K's Simplified Maths. Have you ever wondered why 0.9 repeating is equal to 1? Consider that 0.1 repeating equals 1 over 9. This can be easily verified. Then 0.2 repeating equals 2 over 9. Also, 0.3 repeating equals 3 over 9. Using this pattern, 0.8 repeating is equal to 8 over 9. Then, what do you think about 0.9 repeating? And 9 over 9, which is 1 whole. Do you believe these are the same or different? Many students might initially think that 0.9 repeating is less than 1 because it seems slightly smaller. But mathematically, it is exactly equal to 1. We can prove this mathematically. The first proof uses an algebraic approach. Let x be 0.9 repeating and call this equation 1. When both sides are multiplied by 10, 10x is equal to 9.9 repeating. Call this equation 2. Subtracting the equation 1 from the equation 2, 9x is equal to 9. Note that when subtracting equations, we subtract the matching sides. That is, take away x from 10x and minus 0.9 repeating from 9.9 repeating. Thus, x is equal to 1, hence 0.9 repeating is exactly equal to 1 whole. The second proof uses a fractional approach. It is easy to verify that 1 over 3 is equal to 0.3 repeating. By multiplying both sides by 3, it is straightforward to demonstrate once again that 1 whole is equal to 0.9 repeating. The third proof uses a more advanced approach called infinite series. If you want to be challenged with a more complex idea, you can briefly touch on infinite series. First, write 0.9 repeating as an infinite series. Let's call the infinite series S. This is a geometric series with the first term a equals 0.9 and the common ratio a equals 0.1. By substituting the values into the sum formula for an infinite geometric series, we can demonstrate that the series sums to 1, which proves that 0.9 repeating is equal to 1 whole. Now, let us have a look at a real-life example. Imagine you have a pizza, and you are dividing it among 9 people. Each person gets 1/9 of the pizza, which is 0.1 repeating of the pizza. If you add everyone's portion together, that is 9 lots of 0.1 repeating. You get 0.9 repeating of the pizza, which is the whole pizza. The most common misconception is that 0.9 repeating stops just short of 1 whole. This misconception comes from how we understand finite decimals. For example, if you look at 0.9, it is less than 1. If you attach another 9 to get 0.99, it is closer to 1 but still less. This pattern continues with 0.999, 0.9999, etc., which are each closer to 1, but always slightly less than 1. However, 0.9 repeating represents infinitely many 9s, which changes the game entirely. The misconception comes from treating 0.9 repeating like a finite decimal. But it's fundamentally different because it involves infinity. With infinitely many 9s, there is no last 9, and thus no way to distinguish 0.9 repeating from 1 whole. Mathematics sometimes challenges our perceptions, but it is all about understanding the rules. 0.9 repeating equals 9 over 9, which is equal to 1 whole. Mathematics can be surprising and cool. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe. Mr. K's Simplified Maths.